when somebody exaggerates the fee of a patient, Mr. Speaker, lying in the hospital. Taking, for example, Mr. Speaker, this one, Susan Wapuri Lydia, Mr. Speaker, who was attended at the casualty, Mr. Speaker, and released at a total cost or a total fee of 2,200, Mr. Speaker. When you come to the fee that informed this county government to write a check was 1,880,396, Mr. Speaker. They gave the same patient who was treated at the casualty, Mr. Speaker, and released home, Mr. Speaker. They gave a total fee of 132,200, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there is another patient, Mr. Speaker, who was treated, released, Mr. Speaker, charity, Chebota, Mr. Speaker, at a fee of 6,050 shillings, Mr. Speaker. But when you come here, Mr. Speaker, charity Chebota, the same patient, Mr. Speaker, was treated at a cost of 156,050 shillings, Mr. Speaker. If that is not theft, Mr. Speaker, then the term theft itself should change the meaning, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, on the same day, Mr. Speaker, Londiani, sub-county hospital, Mr. Speaker, that was attending these patients while releasing them to various hospitals, including Nakuru Provincial General Hospital, Mr. Speaker, that I went with my team to on a fact-finding mission, Mr. Speaker. We got, they took 9 patients, Mr. Speaker. One died, Mr. Speaker, abroad in the hospital. The 8 of them, Mr. Speaker, together with the dead, agreed a fee of a total of 366,820, Mr. Speaker. And through the directive of Her Excellency Susan Kiiga, Mr. Speaker, all fees was waived, Mr. Speaker. And in our government, Mr. Speaker, His Excellency Governor Dr. Eric Londiani gave the same directive, Mr. Speaker, that these people went ahead and do a fee and disclosed to 4 million, Mr. Speaker. Yet the actual fee was a total of 600,000, Mr. Speaker. If that is not there, then the meaning of that should be changed, Mr. Speaker.
There is also an abuse of office from the witness submission, and he is evidence of all. The committee established that the county secretary exercised his powers contrary to the provision of law by exceeding his authority. He acted arbitrarily by overseeing allocation and the withdrawal of money raised in Londiani fundraiser on fundraiser and action that is outside his mandate under Section 44 of the County Government Act. Chief Officer, Executive Office of the Governor, has instructed Mr. Speaker, the committee found that solely the Chief Officer of the Office of the Governor was the Secretary of the committee meetings held on the 18th and on the 20th of July 2023. The Secretary of the committee is the one who writes the minutes. 5 witnesses testified that Alphonse was the Secretary of the committee. On cross-examination of the 3 witnesses, it was established by the committee that the 3 witnesses never attended the meeting held on the 18th and the 20th of July, yet they are listed in the minutes as attendees. CDC in charge of health services, Brenda Bay. There's also the abuse of office. The CDC in her sworn submission stated that she took it upon herself to examine Londiani in the aftermath of the accident and requested for the reimbursement of the consumables used during the emergency of the Londiani accident, and went ahead to instruct the meds to cause the pharmaceutical utilized during the accident. This is contrary to the Governor's directive for waiver of all hospital bills. This amounts to all abuse of office. Mr. Speaker, sir, there was no disclosure for information accountability. The committee established that the CDC in charge of health failed to disclose the donation amounting to 128,6289 from EMSA. This is a violation of Article 10 and 232 of the Constitution of Kenya.